Welcome to my channel Guides to Everything. FCMB USSD Codes, *329#. FCMB USSD codes for various transactions are as follow. Airtime top-up for others 329 amount * mobile number hash. Airtime top-up for self 329 amount hash. Block USSD profile or bank account is 329,911 hash. Buy data 329 1 * mobile number hash. Check balance 32900 hash. Pay bills DSTv/GOTv 329 *2 amount Smartcard number hash. Pay electricity bill 329 3 amount meter no hash or 329 3 amount AccountID hash. Reset pin 329 hash. Transfer to FCMB account/other banks 329 amount * account number hash. If you have any questions, do not forget to use the comments button to ask your questions. Click the red button below this video to subscribe to our channel and do not forget to share this video with family and friends. Thanks for watching.